In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio website on Blogger. If you've been searching for a straightforward way to showcase your work online, Blogger offers a fantastic, user-friendly platform that lets you set up a portfolio quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, you'll need to sign into your Blogger account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to set up. Just head over to the Blogger website and follow the prompts to create a new account. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says Create New Blog. You'll find it right on your Blogger dashboard, offering a fresh start on your creativity journey. Next, it's time to name your portfolio website. Think carefully about this, as the name will be the first impression potential visitors have of your work. Aim for something professional, memorable, and indicative of what the portfolio represents. Once you've got a name, you'll be prompted to choose a Blogspot address, which will be the web address people use to find your site. Try to pick a simple, clear address that relates closely to your name or the content of your portfolio. The next choice you have to make is selecting a theme. Blogger offers a variety of options, and while it might be tempting to go for something flashy, it's often best to choose a clean and professional theme. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click on Create Blog. And just like that, the shell of your portfolio website is set up and ready for further customization. Moving on, let's focus on choosing a professional theme. This is where you'll start to shape the look and feel of your portfolio. Navigate to the Theme section in your Blogger dashboard and explore the available designs. Look for a theme that suits the nature of your portfolio. Ideally, you want something with a large hero section to make an impactful first statement, a grid layout to neatly organize your projects, and a responsive design to ensure it looks great on both desktops and mobile devices. Prioritize fast loading speeds, minimal distractions, and easy navigation to keep your audience engaged with your content. Once you've settled on a theme, it's time to personalize your website. Head over to Theme and click on Customize. Here you'll have the opportunity to fine-tune various elements like updating your logo, choosing a color palette that reflects your brand, picking fonts for the text, and selecting an appropriate background. Don't forget to adjust the navigation menu to guide your visitors efficiently, and tweak the sidebar and footer to include important links or contact information. Always aim for consistency in your branding across every page to establish a cohesive and professional look. And there you have it. You've just set up your portfolio website on Blogger, putting you on the path to showcasing your work to the world. Take the time to tweak and perfect your content, and soon you'll have a stunning online portfolio that reflects your unique style and professional journey.